Watch how violent a garage door spring break can be. That loud explosion you're hearing? That's hundreds of pounds of stored tension releasing instantly. This is exactly why garage door spring repair is never a DIY project. Trying to adjust, remove, or replace a spring without the proper tools and training can cause serious injury in seconds. If your garage door suddenly won't open, feels unusually heavy, or you heard a loud bang like this, stop using it immediately. Have it inspected by a trained garage door technician. At Troy, Michigan Garage Door Service, we safely replace broken springs and get your garage door back in balance, often the very same day.